My name is Cole Moses Wamkota, and today we are going to talk about how to make money online with Google Gemini. So stick to the end of this video so that you cannot miss any step of making money online with Google Gemini. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Gemini is an AI that is packed with Google, integrated by Google, and they are owned by Google, and Google owns search. That means that the Google Gemini has got access to all Google data, what people are searching, unlike other AIs that are limited to Google data. So what we are going to do to make money with this Google Gemini is that we are heading on to Google, then type in Gemini AI. Then that first page that will appear on Google, we shall click and then sign up with our email address. Once we have finished sign up process, we can ask this Gemini some prompts. The first prompt that we are going to give this Gemini is that we are going to ask Gemini to outline top 5 affiliate programs that we can join in 2024. Once this Gemini has outlined, we are going to join one of them. And then again, we are going to ask this Gemini to list for us the best 3 top selling products on these affiliate networks, because we are going to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, since Gemini has got fully packed with information what is trending right now, because it uses Google data, it will write these products for us. It will outline these top selling products for us on these affiliate marketing networks. So you may ask me, Mose, how are we going to get money from this Gemini? What we are going to do is that we are going to ask this Gemini to write for us a blog. And on these articles or on these blogs, we are going to incorporate those links that we've gotten from these affiliate networks. And this Gemini will quickly write for us this article. Then what we'll be doing is that we shall be taking this article and then publish it into our website. So you may go on and then ask Mose, I don't have money to run a website, or I don't know how to run a website. Now you can run a website with $0. You can head on to Google, then type in WordPress. Then you can install this WordPress into your laptop or your phone. And then on this WordPress, there are some tutorials that you can learn online on how to install a WordPress to your PC. You can take those articles and then post them daily on this website. Now you may go on and then say, Mose, I don't have money to host this website. We have free hosting websites out there that you can join for free. Once you start getting money from affiliate links and then Google AdSense, you can upgrade to a higher paid service on these web hosting websites. Now the articles written by this AI, I think they are plagiarism free. The next way to make money with the Google Gemini is that you can use to write ebooks, for which you can sell them on Amazon KDP. Now to do this, you can ask Gemini to highlight best-selling ebooks on Amazon on certain topics of your interests. For example, can it be finance, health, or investment? Then use Google Gemini to outline topics, subtopics, and chapters. Then you can twist a little bit the way you want that ebook to look. Then after you have finished writing your ebook, you can launch it into Amazon KDP, and your book will be live for selling. Now, when people buy those books, you will be making money online. Now, before writing ebooks, you must do your research. You must know what is trending, what people are looking online before you start making those ebooks. Now, the next way in which you can use Google Gemini is to create a course. People are selling courses on Udemy. Udemy is paying a lot of money to course creators. So what you need to do is that if you have a niche, for example, investment or finance, you can create a course, then sell them on Udemy. Now to do this, you can ask Gemini to outline a course for you. Once you have given this Gemini a prompt, this Gemini will outline a course for you. And make sure to feed this AI with in-depth prompts so that this AI can know exactly what you are talking about. Now, for example, you can tell this Google Gemini that write an outlined course on stocks. Then Gemini will outline this course. Then you can break those lessons down and tell Gemini to write a script on every subtopic. And our Gemini will do it as fast as possible. Once our course is finished, there are various platforms that you can sell your course. But one of my favorite one is on Udemy. Believe me, people are buying courses like crazy. So, what you need to do is that while you are on Udemy, you can set prices. And then after some times, you lower them to attract customers. Now, another way in which you can make money using Google Gemini is that you can write scripts. You can use Google Gemini to write scripts. And this is the best side hustle that you can venture in 2024. There are many websites that are looking for experienced script writers who can breathe life into video content. And an example of it is bfydev.com. And Gemini can do this kind of job as quick as possible. You can also join freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork, then offer your services as a script writers. And there are a lot of job opportunities on these platforms because we have YouTube content creators who needs people to write scripts for them. And you can turn this one as your full-time job. So my lovely friend, this is only but few ways in which you can make money with the Google Gemini. But there are endless ways in which you can make money with this Google AI. So if you haven't started doing anything, please go on and then start doing something today. Because you are highly packed with heavenly powers. Believe in yourself. Don't listen to those lies. Start making money with these AIs today. Believe in yourself and then start working today. And believe at the end of this year, you will comment in the comment section. You will tell me, Mose, what you said is true. I've started making $10,000 per month. Now the secret here is persistence. It can take 3 months, it can take 6 months, it can take a year. But persistence and patience is the key to any success. So my lovely friend, we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I will be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So it is your son, your boy, your brother, Moses Wamkota. God bless you. Peace.